Hey guys, on the menu today I am making a shrimp taco bowl. Here are all the ingredients that I am going to use. This recipe is a quick and simple, healthy and delicious recipe to make at home. I will be using some shrimp, cooked rice, some tomato, lettuce, red kidney beans, sweet corn, some cheese, lettuce, onion, and some ranch dressing. Now I'm gonna start by seasoning my shrimp. I am going to use some garlic powder, onion powder, some complete seasoning along with some all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to use a small amount of red pepper flakes and a tablespoon oil, and I'm just going to combine everything together. Now you can use any seasoning of your choice at home if you wish. So whether you want to incorporate your black pepper, your paprika and so on, you can use that at home. Now that my shrimp is well seasoned, it's time to cook it. So I am going to put on my frying pot with a small amount of vegetable oil, and I'm going to add my shrimp and allow them to cook just for 2 minutes because I don't want to overcook them. And I will just turn them after a minute, and then I'll remove them from the pot and set them aside. So these are the main items that I am going to use in my taco bowls. I'm going to use my shrimp, kidney beans, sweet corn, lettuce, some tomatoes. I'm also going to use some red onions, some cheese. And at this time you can add additional stuff in your taco bowl if you wish. So whether you want to use some cucumbers and so on, you can add it to it at this time. These are the main ingredients I am going to use for this recipe. So I am going to add my rice to my bowl. This rice was freshly cooked. However, if you do have overnight rice in the fridge, you can use it in your taco bowl. Now I'm going to add my sweet corn, my red onions, I'm going to add my tomatoes along with my lettuce, my red kidney beans. Then I am going to top it with the shrimps and then sprinkle my cheddar cheese on top, and then just top it off with some of my ranch dressing. Now you can use other dressings of your choice, but I'm going to use my ranch dressing. Yes, guys, this is how I made my shrimp taco bowls at home. It is simple and easy to make for all my people that are on their health journey. This is a good recipe to try. Quick, easy, less than 15 minutes in the kitchen, and you're out. So it's an in and out type of recipe. It's fulfilling, packed with a lot of flavor and different texture. So you can try this recipe at home and let me know what you think, and just leave them in the comments below. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you do enjoy this video, and until next time, stay safe.